Bottled lemon. SuffolkRider. Hey. I want to talk about under-seat tools. What do you carry with you? Do you just take the manufacturer's toolkit that you get with a bike? Or do you create your own? Personally, when I got the bike, it didn't come with the toolkit. There should be one there, there's a compartment for it, but it didn't come with it. Ooh, Airfield Museum. I'll check that out another day. Yeah, so I sort of just made my own. It's got a assortment of sockets, a little 3/8 drive ratchet. I've got a screwdriver with the changeable heads, and then another selection of heads for that. Torx keys, Allen keys, or hex keys, whatever you want to call it. Obviously different Phillips and different flatheads. An adjustable spanner as well, for the bigger stuff. A little bit of chain oil in a little, got a little one of them little spray bottles. You can actually refill it. It came with a bigger can, and you refill it from the big can. Quite handy. I've just got all that wrapped up in a old microfiber towel, small one, and then it's just zip tied closed. But then there's also inside there a fresh zip tie to, if you ever have to use it, you can zip tie it back up again and put it back. Oh, and I've also got the rear shock adjusting tool. I've never had to do it on the fly, I'm always at home when I do it, but to be honest, once you find your right adjustment, you never really have to adjust it. What I really must get is a emergency puncture repair kit. Because fingers crossed, I still haven't had a puncture on the road. Not with this bike anyway. I have with the 125s before. Not far from here actually. I don't know how much of a pain it is. Hello? And they're not expensive. They come with the little CO2 canister things, which like instantly blow your tyre up once you've repaired it, obviously. So I will be getting one of them and adding that to my under-seat storage. It's quite a bit of storage under there. I've got my tools. Oh, I've got a little emergency raincoat thing just in case. It's like a tiny little, like the size of, smaller than my phone. I got it from Tesco's like a couple of years ago. It's one of them polythene, plasticky things, just in case you get stuck. And a torch. Always bring a torch. You break down at night, you need to be able to see what you're trying to fix. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys use, what you think is essential under-seat storage for on the road. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye.